It is surprise this channel. Welcome to Village Surprise Special English Teaching. So today's topic is helping verb. Today we will learn here is helping verb in sentences because students want to solve the issue easily. So today's topic is helping verb. Three helping verb is the focus: is or am. Is or am. So let us start. First, I clear about the rules. He, she, it, and singular is followed by is. So it is added is if there was a he, she, it singular other pronoun. So let us rule second. I is a pronoun that is used for a person, myself. So I is followed by am. Where there is I, the I is added with. And rule number 3, wish, you, they, plural, Ali and Shana, two names. So these are all followed by or. So all of these added by are. So these pronouns we must be added with the helping verb are. So the student, don't worry, back to school is not possible. So let us at home. So stay at home. I will provide you. Don't worry. Stay at home. I learn my lesson. So your choice is switches over channel as home and get class. Okay? Let's start. We dash eating. So R, is, am are the options. So student must remember the rule that I clarify to you. So we is followed by are. So it is very solved that we are eating the complete sentence. So the next one is I taste eating. So is, am, are or the option. So am is for I is for he or for plural. So am is the right option. So I am reading the correct sentence. I am reading in the correct sentence. So the next one is you, my friend. Am, is, or. There are three options. So is for singular, am for I, and are is the right option. So you are my friend is the correct sentence. So are is the option. That is correct. The next one is I dash a student, or am, is. These are three options. So what is the right option? Stay with us and see. Yes, am is the right option. So I am a student. That is the correct sentence, and am is the correct option. So the next one is he dash a teacher. Am, is, or. There are three options always. So what is the right option? So I think he is followed by is. So he is a teacher, and is the correct option. So the next one is we dish brother is or am. Three options are there. So what is the right option? Is, am. I think or is the right option. So congratulations. The right option is or, and we are brother are the correct sentence. So R is the right option. So the next is he is dash intelligent. So R, is, am. There are three options always for helping verb. So the student must understand what is added by with he or am. So is the correct option. So he is intelligent is the correct sentence. So is or helping verb is correct option. So let us happy with our lesson planning. I will provide you more and more sentence. So she a doctor is the next sentence. Am or is. There are three options. Student first understand, see, write, read, all formula apply. So student understand she is followed by is. So the correct option is he is. So the correct sentence is she is a doctor. She is a doctor. So the next sentence is you are pilot. Is, am, or three options. What is the correct option? Oh, are. Are is the correct option. You are a pilot is the correct sentence. So are is the right option and click it. Next sentence is I, her mother. So is or am. Three option. Is for singular, are for plural. I think. Am is the right option. So I am her mother is the correct sentence. The next sentence they is friends or is am. Three options are there. So student acknowledge that am is for I, is for singular, and are is for plural. So they are his friend is the correct sentence or is the option that is correct. So this dash her cat is the next sentence. So is or am. Three options are there. So what is the correct option? Am or is. So is the correct option. So this is her cat is the correct sentence. So is the option that is correct. So this her house is the next sentence. Student, please. Am or is. Three options are be there. A student must understand something, think sometime, and then finalize that. Is the correct option. So this is her house is the correct sentence. Where are Tash is interrogative sentence, question mark, we, I, he. So the sentence is something different. So are is a helping her. I, he, I think, we. So where are we is the correct option. We pronoun is the correct option with are. So the next sentence is why dash said. He, you, I. What is the correct option? So I is followed by am. He is followed by is. And you is followed by are. So why are you sad is the correct sentence? You is the answer. So the next sentence, who are test, question mark, there. I, he, you, or the option of pronoun. So what is the pronoun? Put there. So you, how are you the correct sentence? You is fit for that sentence. So what are eating is the next sentence. You, she, I, or the options. Or I is am for am, she is for is, and are you are is for are. Okay, what are you eating is the correct sentence. You is the option. The next sentence, dash am your friend. So you is for are, he is for is, and I is for am. So I is the correct option. I am your friend is the correct sentence. So the next is I dash am a student. So I, he, you. A student easily understand that I is the option and I is the easily mark of it. So I am a student is the correct sentence. So the next sentence is dash a flower plant. What a beautiful plant. So is or am. Three options are there. What is the option to fill this blank? Is or am. Some students say that are, some students say that I am, and I think the correct option is what is student correct option? Please help me. What is the correct option? So is the correct option, and sentence is it is a flower plant. So the next sentence is I dash Pakistani. So I'm or is. There are three options always given by the student, given to the student that falls all the easily. So what is followed by I? Is or am. So am is there. I am a Pakistani, the correct sentence. So the next sentence is I dash boy is am or. Three options are there. What is the correct option? Student, please help me. Is, am, or. What is the correct option? Please. Yes, am. I am a boy. The correct option is am. So the sentence is I am a boy. So the next sentence is about teacher. He dash a teacher. Am is or. What is the right option? Student? What is the right option? Student. Yes, is the right option. So he is the teacher, the correct sentence. So the next one is I dash learner. I dash learner. Am or is the after. So am. I am a learner is the correct option. So I am a learner is a sentence. So this is our channel. We provide best method of learning, friendly environment. No worried about us. We provide easily to your student that your student must be enjoyed and learn very well. So let us start. Whenever you have problems, contact us. We provide the lesson planning according to your student. So please subscribe, bell icon. Thank you for watching. That's all from Village Surprise.